In the cozy corners of Abbottstown homes where warmth is cherished, water heater issues such as lack of hot water, leaks, or unsettling noises can disrupt the peace. These nuisances often arise from sediment buildup, faulty heating elements, or the inevitable corrosion over time. However, enduring cold showers or worrying over potential water damage need not be your fate. By calling 888-501-1193, you connect with qualified professionals equipped to tackle any water heater challenge. Ensure your comfort and safety in the Abbottstown area by entrusting your water heater repairs to the experts. Don't let a cold shower dampen your day. Act now.